It's a massive 2.5 minutes here for the Clippers. Leonard, ball fake, pulls the trigger and knocks it down. Kawhi with 24, and the Clippers lead by 2. Jordan driven off the line. It's Caruso in the corner for 3. Oh, it falls! Tyronn Lue thinks this could be the game, and it's a turnover. Caruso with Jones to beat. A whistle will send him to the line. 80% on the year, misses the first. He's the rest of the way. For the Clippers. Jones hit a late whistle. Punches with Oklahoma City in the 70. If you don't have a ton of grit. But with 8 to shoot. Back to Hartenstein to the rack. Great defense by Zoo. Powell for the lead. Back tap to Leonard. "12 seconds remain. Kawhi. Thunder have it. Oklahoma City. And he's fouled. Not gonna do it. And Oklahoma City comes in shorthanded and walks away with a win, 103 to 101.